The journey of a perfect idli begins here, in the sun-drenched fields of South India, where premium grains are meticulously cultivated.
Only the finest dehusked black gram is selected, ensuring the characteristic snowy white color and protein-rich structure of the batter.
Precise hydration is critical. The grains must absorb exactly enough moisture to ensure a silky smooth grind later in the process.
Traditional stone grinding is replicated at scale, preserving the cool temperature of the batter to prevent premature fermentation.
Mastering the ratio between rice and dal is the secret to the idli's legendary fluffy and soft texture.
Natural microorganisms transform the batter over 12 hours, developing the complex lactic acid flavors and essential airy structure.
Automation meets tradition, as synchronized nozzles fill hundreds of molds per minute with surgical precision.
Freshly steamed idlis emerge, pristine and soft, ready for the final stages of high-tech preservation.
The structural integrity of a perfect idli is tested by its ability to spring back instantly after gentle compression. Surface sterilization is the first line of defense, ensuring a sterile environment before the idlis enter the high-speed packaging line.
Infusing traditional aromatics requires precise temperature control to capture the essence of South Indian tempering without scorching.
Consistency is the hallmark of industrial excellence. Each idli is measured to the milligram for perfect uniform steaming.
High barrier retort pouches are utilized to protect the delicate texture and flavor from oxygen and light degradation.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing to confirm that the internal structure remains fluffy while the seal integrity is absolute.
The retort process uses precise heat and pressure to achieve commercial sterility, allowing the idlis to remain shelf-stable without preservatives. Comprehensive labeling provides full traceability, from the farm-sourced rice to the exact minute of sterilization.
Efficiency reaches its peak as advanced robotics organize the finished products for global distribution.
Strategic logistics management ensures that every batch is tracked and stored in a temperature-controlled environment for peak freshness. Uncompromising hygiene standards dictate that every single steaming tray undergoes a multi-stage thermal and chemical sanitization.
From the heart of India's tradition to the pinnacle of modern technology, the perfect idli is now a global masterpiece of culinary engineering.